reason I think people love Smiley cookies is that it's a part of Pittsburgh. You know, when you think about when you're a kid in Pittsburgh and you go to Eaton Park and you get the free Smiley cookie with your meal, but then you start to get older and you maybe run in the Great Race or in the marathon, or you go to a Pirates game and you see Smiley cookies. And so I think that Smiley cookies are just a part of the Pittsburgh experience and what makes it unique to be from Pittsburgh. Smiley cookies all start with rolling the dough and cutting out the cookie shape, and so we do that actually in a central facility because we roll out so much dough and cut so many cookies that it's easier to do that centrally. First step is baking the cookies, which takes about 10 minutes, and then once they come out of the oven, we have to let them cool before we can ice them, and so it takes about 20 minutes for them to cool. And then comes the icing, and the icing comes in 2 levels. First we have to put on the base icing, and so we put that carefully, make sure it gets all the way down out to the edge, and then we have to let that dry. So it takes 1 to 2 hours based on what the weather's like and humidity for that to dry. So once that's dry, we'll put the face on, let that dry for another hour to 2 hours, and then we have a Smiley cookie.